Running out of space? Use your walls the smarter way. Introducing Shelf Bracket, simple, easy install and space saving. Available in 5 sizes, from compact to heavy duty. Black and white options to match any setup. Its heavy-duty steel build, it can support weight with confidence, from books to tools and decor. It has sleek, rounded edges so it's smooth to the touch. Safe for hands, no sharp corners. It has a rust-resistant coating, powder-coated for durability, stays clean and chip-free, even over time. Has rock-solid stability, designed with precision bends for maximum load-bearing support. It's quick and easy installation, just screw it in. Fits boards and walls of all kinds, no fuss, no wobble. Engineered with premium materials to deliver lasting comfort far beyond disposable online alternatives. Why ours stand out versus cheap alternatives? Modern Lifestyle Shelf Bracket has thicker steel, it won't bend or warp under weight. Has a smooth, premium finish, no rough edges or sloppy paint, has accurate sizing, what you see is what you get. Ours has no flimsiness, it's stable, sturdy, and actually holds up heavy items. It's also tested for real use, not just for display, but for daily, reliable storage. Modern Lifestyle Shelf Bracket is perfect for tools, decor, books, plants and everyday essentials. Shelf Bracket available in 5 sizes is now available at all leading Ace Hardware stores nationwide. It would be the best choice for saving time and bringing comfort anywhere, so your focus stays on the moments that count. Modern Lifestyle, designed for your needs.